Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. How long will $750,000 last in retirement? When thinking about retirement, one popular method that many people turn to is the 4% rule. This rule is pretty straightforward. If you apply it to a $750,000 retirement portfolio, you could safely withdraw $30,000 annually. The idea behind this is to make your savings last for around 30 years. Now, the 4% rule is based on historical market returns and aims to give you a steady income stream, but there are some important things it doesn't take into account. It doesn't factor in inflation, unexpected medical bills, or market downturns that can affect your portfolio. So while it's a common strategy, it's not foolproof. Now let's talk about another option that could provide you with a lot more security and potentially more income as well. This option is called a Guaranteed Lifetime Withdrawal Benefit, or GLWB, often used with an annuity. Here's how it works. With a GLWB, you could receive guaranteed annual withdrawals ranging anywhere from $50,000 to $115,000, depending on the terms of the annuity and your age when you start taking withdrawals. This is a contractually guaranteed income for life, which means no matter what happens in the market, your income is protected. And here's the best part. If there are any funds left in your annuity when you pass, those can go directly to your beneficiaries as a lump sum. So it's not just income security for you, but it also protects your legacy. As you can see, a GLWB can offer a much higher level of income compared to the 4% rule, potentially 2 to 3 times as much. That kind of difference can really impact your lifestyle in retirement and give you peace of mind knowing that you won't outlive your savings. So, what's the best way to figure out how long your $750,000 can last? Well, we recommend starting with our annuity calculator. It's a simple tool that can give you a personalized estimate based on your specific needs and retirement goals. Whether you're considering the 4% rule, an annuity, or a combination of both, the annuity calculator can help guide you in the right direction. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.